case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the Court of Appeals of Indiana heard the case of Moseley v. Bishop, which revolved around a dispute concerning the maintenance of a drain tile that served Edith Moseley's farm. The drain ran across the land owned by Merrill and Joanna Gates and was subject to an agreement made in 1896 between Moseley's predecessor and the original landowner, known as the Moseley-Bohn Agreement. The trial court initially ruled that the contract did not run with the land, meaning the defendants were not bound to maintain the drain tile, and Moseley failed to prove that their negligence caused her losses. Moseley appealed the decision, and the appellate court reversed, finding that the contract did run with the land and that the defendants were in fact obligated to maintain the drain tile. The issue was whether the Moseley-Bohn Agreement bound the defendants to permanently maintain the drain on their land. The court determined that the language used in the agreement showed an intent to create a covenant running with the land, which requires a logical connection to the land's use and enjoyment. The plaintiff and some defendants met the touch and concern requirement for the covenant to maintain the tile drain, but not all defendants. The Moseley-Bohn Agreement was found to run with the land now held by Moseley and the Gateses, but not with the other defendants' property. As a result, the trial court's judgment denying Moseley damages for crop losses and rejecting her claim against defendants other than the Gateses was affirmed. However, the trial court's judgment was reversed in all other aspects, and the appellees were awarded costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class